Hi, hello dear students, welcome to my channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss MSET and JMN's related multiple choice questions in this video. This is the ninth video related to MSET MCQs. Let us have a discussion. The first question. Equation of the largest circle with center 1, 0 that can be inscribed in an ellipse x square plus 4y square equal to 16 is. One or two times you have to read the question carefully, dear students. Then you will get idea how to solve the question. Here, equation of largest circle with center 1, 0 that can be inscribed in an ellipse equation. See here. This is the ellipse figure. This is the center of the ellipse. Obviously 0, 0. This is the given equation of ellipse. X square plus 4y square is equal to 16. Keep that equation number 1. And the required equation of circle is having the center 1, 0. Circle center 1, 0. Circle center I am taking as h, k. Radius we don't know. The circle which is inscribing largest circle. Whenever this ellipse center is 0, 0 only, center of this ellipse. So whenever it is 0, 0. 1, 0, it lies on x-axis at a distance. X-axis means major axis. 1, 0 will be here. So the required circle which is inscribed in the ellipse. So the circle will be like this. This is the required circle. This is the largest circle inscribed in the ellipse equation. We don't know the radius. That radius I am taking as r is equal to r. Radius is r. Radius is r, center is h, k. We know that equation of circle. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. In place of h, k, substitute there. X minus 1 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal to r square. So x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square is equal to r square. Keep it equation number 2. From equation 1, y square I am making as a subject. Either y square or x square you can take anything. But here y square make y because x square x is there na. So we can. So from that y square 4y square equal to 16 minus x square. That also implies that dividing by 4. Y square is equal to 16 by 4 minus x square by 4. This y square value substitute in the equation 2. Substitute in equation 2. So it will becomes x square minus 2x plus 1 plus in place of y square 4 minus x square by 4 is equal to r square. Now take LCM. 4 times of x square. So 4x square minus 8x plus 4 plus 16 minus x square equal to 4r square. So 4x square minus x square is 3x square minus 8x plus 20 minus 4r square is equal to 0. Equation 3 is a quadratic equation in terms of x. So compare with ax square plus bx plus c. A is equal to 3, B is equal to minus 8 and C is equal to 20 minus 4r square. Since the circle inscribed in the ellipse, the discriminant of this quadratic equation is less than or equal to 0. Remember, the discriminant of the quadratic equation is less than or equal to 0. So, from this discriminant means what? B square minus 4ac is less than or equal to 0. So now b square, that means minus 8 whole square, 64 minus 4 into a value 3 into c value 20 minus 4r square is less than or equal to 0. So 64 minus 12, even 4 also take common, one more 4. So 5 minus r square is less than or equal to 0. So here 48, here 64. Total, we can take common 16 from this. If we take common 16, 16 4s are, 16 3s are. 3 into 5 minus r square is less than or equal to 0. So 16 you can take that side. 4 minus 15 plus 3r square is less than or equal to 0. 4 minus 15 is minus 11, that we can take that side. So 3r square is less than or equal to 11. R square is less than or equal to 11 by 3. That means r square value is 11 by 3. This value substitute in this equation. In this equation 2, if you substitute, therefore we will get the required circle x square plus y square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to r square, means 11 by 3. Cross multiply 3x square plus 3y square minus 6x plus 3 minus 11 equal to 0. 11 I am taking this side. So 3x square plus 3y square minus 6x minus 8 equal to 0, which is the required equation of circle, which is the largest in the ellipse. So which is there in the third option. This type of questions they will ask in the MCET of JEE Mains. Dear students, you have to practice this type of questions. We will move to the next question. The next question. If alpha comma alpha minus 1 lies inside the ellipse, 16x square plus 9y square minus 16x equal to 0, then alpha lies in the interval 9 by 25 comma k, open interval of 9 by 25 comma k. Then k is, we have to calculate the k value. We know that the point inside the ellipse equation, S11 is less than 0. See here, given point is alpha comma alpha minus 1. This is x1, this is y1. S value, S means given equation of ellipse. 16x square plus 9y square minus 16x is equal to 0. Now find S11. That means wherever x comma y is there, you have to replace with x1, y1. So 16x1 square plus 9y1 square minus 16x1. In place of x1, y1, substitute alpha and alpha minus 1. So which is equal to 16 into alpha square plus 9 into alpha minus 1 whole square minus 16 into alpha. 16 alpha square plus 9 into a minus b whole square expansion, alpha square minus 2 alpha plus 1 minus 16 alpha, which is equal to 16 alpha square plus 9 alpha square minus 18 alpha plus 9 minus 16 alpha. So which is equal to 16 alpha square, 16 alpha square plus 9 alpha square, 25 alpha square minus 18 alpha minus 16 alpha minus 34 alpha plus 9. This is the value of S11. Since the point is inside, since alpha comma alpha minus 1 is inside the ellipse, then S11 is less than 0. That is 25 alpha square minus 34 alpha plus 9 is less than 0. Finding factors. 25 alpha square, 34 can be written as 25 alpha minus 9 alpha plus 9 is less than 0. From these two 25 take common, from these two minus 9 take common. 25 alpha if we take common, alpha minus 1 minus 9 take common, alpha minus 1 is less than 0. So 25 alpha minus 9 into alpha minus 1 is less than 0. After completing of this step, only few steps are there according to the interval. So 25 take common, so it will become alpha minus 9 by 25. Alpha we are taking common 25 from here, and the rest of the term alpha minus 1 is less than 0. 25 also we can take outside. So alpha minus 9 by 25 is into alpha minus 1 is less than 0. We know that one important formula in domain and range we discuss in the functions. X minus alpha into x minus beta is less than 0. When alpha is less than beta, so x value lies between alpha and beta. So, according to this formula, all in place of x alpha is there. Therefore, alpha belongs to 9 by 25. Beta value is 1. This you have to compare 9 by 25 comma k. So, by comparing k value is what? By comparing k is equal to 1. So, k value 1 it is there in the first option. We will move to the next question. The next question. X minus 2y plus 4 equal to 0 is a common tangent to the parabola y square equal to 4x and x square by 4 plus y square by b square equal to 1. Then the value of b and the other common tangent given by. So, then the other common tangent is given by. See here. First common tangent we have to write x minus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. This you can write in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. So minus 2y we can take this side plus 2y is equal to x plus 4. So y is equal to 1 by 2 into x plus 2. Compare with y is equal to mx plus c. So m is equal to 1 by 2 and c is equal to 2. This is common tangent for not only parabola but also ellipse. What is the equation of ellipse? X square by a square, that means 4 plus y square by b square is equal to 1. A square is equal to 4 and b square is equal to b square only. Common tangent means it is a tangent for parabola y square is equal to 4ax as well as x square by 4 plus y square by b square equal to 1. This is the common tangent for this one as well as this one. So the line y is equal to mx plus c is to be tangent to the ellipse. We have the condition c square equal to a square m square plus b square. So c square, that means 2 square 4 equal to a square value 4, m square 1 by 2 whole square 1 by 4 plus b square we don't know. So 4 get cancelled. 1 we can take this side. 4 minus 1 is equal to b square. That implies b square is equal to 3. B square value we got it. M square, a square we know that. Here c square we can calculate. This c value is different. Now, plus or minus c will come. B square value is 3. Now, b we can write it as plus or minus root 3. Is it right? Again, in place of c square, substitute a square m square. A square value 4, m square value 1 by 4 plus b square 3. 4 cancel. C square equal to 4. C is equal to plus or minus 2. C value substitute in this equation. So, y equal to 1 by 2 mx plus c. Now m value is 1 by 2. Tan n means same slope, 1 by 2 x. C value is plus or minus 2. So simplify, 2y equal to x plus or minus 4. So 2y we can take the sign, x minus 2y plus or minus 4 equal to 0. Two possibilities of tangents are there. One is if we consider plus, if we consider minus. So x minus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. X minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Both are tangents. X minus 2y plus 4 if you take, it is already a given tangent. For that, another common tangent they are saying. So, x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0 is the required another tangent. And b value, b square equal to 3 means b equal to plus or minus root 3. So, these two are there in which option? That option is the right option. b is equal to plus or minus root 3. X minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. In which option it will be there? So, in that, b is equal to here root 3 only there. Here plus or minus. So, this is the right option. Fourth option is the right option. We will move to the next question. The next question. The locus of midpoints of the focal chords of the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 is midpoint of chords. Focal chords, first chord equation, midpoint of chords. Let p of x1 comma y1 be the midpoint of chords. Ellipse equation is this one. This is the chord equation. It is passing through the focus AE comma 0. That focus is midpoint of this chord. So midpoint of chord formula is what? Midpoint of chords. Midpoints of chord. Midpoint of chords is S1 equal to S11. S1 means xx1 by a square plus yy1 by b square minus 1 is equal to S11. x1 square by a square plus y1 square by b square minus 1. Both sides minus 1 get cancelled. After that, midpoints of the chords, focal chords they are saying. That means this chord is passing through the focus. Passing through focus. Passing through focus. Then this midpoint of chords is passing through the focus. Wherever x comma y is there, replacing with focus. It's not x1, y1, it is x comma y. So, AE come into x1 by a square plus 0 into y1 divided by b square is equal to x1 square by a square plus y1 square by b square. So, one of the a cancel. This will become 0. Ex1 divided by a is equal to x1 square by a square plus y1 square by b square. So they're asking locus, no? Wherever x1, y1 is there, you are replacing x comma y. So locus of p is wherever x1, y1 is there, you are replacing x comma y. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to ex by a. So which is there in the first option. Thank you dear students for watching my channel. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can write to my comment box. I will help you. In the next video, the previous MSET and JEE 3 to 4 questions in the next video. Thank you all.